1 kilogram of tilapia fish, 1.5 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, now I am applying salt and turmeric powder all over the fish. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. When oil is hot, we are going to fry the fish. While turning the fish, we have to be careful. Look, one side of the fish is done. Now we will allow it to fry the other side. The fish is done. Both sides fried nicely. Now in a grinding jar, we are taking 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, chili powder according to your taste, garlic cloves 15 to 17, then add little water, make a fine paste. Now in a kadai, we are taking 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. When oil is hot, we are adding few kalonji, that is onion seeds. When onion seeds are sorted, then we are adding 1 onion chopped. We have to fry the onion till it becoming golden color. Add some curry leaves. Now onions are ready, so we are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, two tomatoes chopped. Here I have taken local tomato, that is country tomato, which are tangy in taste. We have to cook till the tomatoes are soft. Look, the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now we are adding the mustard paste that we made. Then water for the gravy. How much water you need for the gravy, you can add that much. Salt according to your taste. We will allow it to boil till the rawness of the mustard goes. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. When the rawness of the mustard will go, we are adding the fish. This is really a simple recipe. Hope you guys will enjoy this one. Two green chilies if you like. Then cover it and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes at low flame. Now look, the curry is almost ready. Here, if you like, you can garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. This goes well with steamed rice. Hope you guys will like it. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.